Now here's a riddle. What can take great photos, translate foreign lingo, and escort you to the nearest drinking establishment, all while sitting on your face? It's the Rokid Glasses, hot rival to the Meta Ray-Ban display, and the most funded XR device on Kickstarter apparently, having already raised over $4 million. These clever specs actually have Gemini Smart built in, so it eliminates the need to constantly yank out your smartphone when you just want to learn a wee bit more about whatever you're looking at, as well as simply navigate around an unfamiliar town or shoot a quick home movie with the fam. I've been using the Rokid Glasses for a few days now, and I'm impressed by just how much they can actually do. Now let's check out some of the best features of the Rokid Glasses. You can check out more information in the link in the video description, as well as a crafty wee discount code. And a massive thanks to Rokid for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. Cheers! So first up, what do you actually get chucked in the box? So you've got the Rokid Glasses tucked away in this smashing wee carry case. You've got a proper dinky wee proprietary charging cable. I've also got bonus nose guards. You've also got yourself a user manual and a lovely branded cleaning cloth. Now, if you're going to be wearing the Rokid Glasses on your mug all day long, you'll really appreciate the lightweight finish. They weigh just 49 grams, which is lighter than those Meta Ray-Ban display. That's thanks to the magnesium aluminium frame, while the TR90 temples make for all-day comfort. And of course, if your peepers are as knackered as your uncle's spurts, well, no worries, you've got full support here for prescription lenses. They can be fitted right in. They're compatible with myopia and astigmatism sufferers, but you can find full information, all that, in another link down in the video description. But where the Rokid Glasses are a step beyond most other so-called smart glasses is the built-in displays, one per lens. Now these serve up information nice and clear direct to your peepers, which allows you, for instance, to go hands-free when cooking a recipe. I've decided, as you can see here, to upgrade my supper from the usual pork scratch and sandwich and try a bit of fancy foreign cuisine. I'm sure my bowels will thank me tomorrow.
Pour in hot broth and simmer 15 to 20 minutes.
Now these panels hit around 1500 nits, so they're brighter than again some rivals like the Meta Ray-Ban display. Nice and clear even on a bright sunshiny day, albeit here in good old Blighty. Those screens can also display translation of any signs you're looking at, for instance, any menus that you're perusing, and any other text that you're looking at, with support for up to 89 languages. And the Rokid Glasses can also handle a bit of real-time translation if someone, for instance, starts chatting at you in a foreign lingo, or you're just relaxing with a lovely bit of anime action. And the Rokid Glasses are also great for capturing memories. So for instance, you can snap a quick 12 meg photo simply by pushing this button here on the right arm, complete with funky sci-fi shutter sound effect. Love it. With support for a variety of aspect ratios, again, unlike those Metas, as you can see, 3x4, 9x16 and 4x3 all supported. You can also record up to 10 minutes of video footage all in one go, which again is much more flexible than those Ray-Bans. All you've got to do is hold down the button this time, and you'll immediately start recording. Once again, you've got a choice of aspect ratios as well as resolutions, topping off at 3K 9x16 vertical video, or 2.5K if you want to shoot horizontally like this. And you can immediately check out your photos and your home movies right there on the built-in displays, just to make sure you're absolutely happy with the results. The Rokid Glasses also support real-time navigation with a Google Maps mini-map and turn-by-turn directions. So if you're absolutely gasping for a pint, it can lead you straight to the nearest watering hole. And hey, if you've actually got yourself a proper job with an office and colleagues and stuff like that, well, you can happily record any meetings that you go into here on the Rokid Glasses, and come the end of it, they will happily summarize everything that was said, so you just spend the entire time zoning out and paying bugger all attention. You can even import a script through the Hi Rokid app and use the glasses as a subtle teleprompter, as I'm doing right now. These very words, what I'm saying, are flashing up on the glasses, but to you it just looks like I'm thinking them with my brain. Fools. Now the Rokid Glasses sport a quad mic arrangement which can clearly pick up your voice when you're having a wee chin wag with the virtual assistant, which by the way powered by Gemini and ChatGPT, a first for smart glasses like these. and that allows you to quickly find out stuff about the world around you without the ball ache of yanking out your smartphone. And the reply comes back in the form of text, which you can read, and also audio, which is blasted through the cunningly concealed speakers. You got a stereo arrangement, one speaker built into each arm. That's pretty handy if you encounter stuff in the real world you got no idea what on earth it is. Hi Rokid, what's this in my pants? It's my what? If you're out in public, you want to use the AI assistant, but you're a wee bit shy, you don't want to be chatting at the Rokid Glasses because it might make you look a wee bit mental. Well, no worries, you've also got an AI shortcut feature. Simply touch 2 fingers to the right arm and you can get the Rokid Glasses to explain exactly what you're looking at, translate text into English, or do pretty much anything you want. You can enter in custom instructions.
The weather in England is sunny, temperature 11 degrees, high 11 degrees, low 5 degrees.
Correct. As for the battery life here on the Rokid Glasses, well, I found I enjoyed a good few hours of audio playback and assistant badgering on a single charge. And then when you need to juice them up, just plug the bundled proprietary charging cable into any standard USB-C cable, and it just slaps onto the glasses like so. They'll power back up. And that right there, my lovelies, in a tasty wee nutshell, is the fresh new Rokid Glasses. And what I like most about them is just the real world benefits, the fact that you're not constantly having to yank out your smartphone just when you want to learn a little bit more about something that you've discovered. And it's especially handy when you're trying to navigate your way around an unfamiliar town. Saves you from having to walk around with your smartphone held out in front of you like this. You can actually pay attention to where you're going and what's happening around you. Make sure one of those crafty wee gits on a moped doesn't come flying up and nick your precious blower. And it also means you aren't simply staring at your phone while recording a whole movie of your kids or cats or whatever. This means you can actually be there with them in the moment, and with 10 continuous minutes of recording as well means you shouldn't miss any of the action. And of course also handy when you don't have any hands free, so for instance when you're following along a recipe. So again, you can actually concentrate on what you're up to. Anyway, that's what this knackered old northern knobber reckons of the Rokid Glasses, but what do you think? It'd be great to hear your thoughts down in the commenty bit below. Check out the link in my video description for plenty more information and also a discount code for €20 off. Massive thanks again to Rokid for sponsoring this video, keeping your lights on at Techspert Towers. Make sure you have an absolutely ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everybody.
I love you.